Taking an order. After the previous lesson, you should now be more comfortable with table service at breakfast. This lesson covers how to take a guest's a la carte breakfast orders. There are a few steps to follow, and we'll work through them one by one. After we've covered those steps, you'll be able to deliver even better service when taking, serving, and following up on a la carte orders. The first step is to take the order itself. Once you've served your guests their beverages, go to the table with your docket book and pen and ask if they're ready to place their orders. If not, let them know you'll return in a little while, and then wait discreetly where they can see you. When they're ready, take the ladies' orders first. As each guest orders, repeat their selection to check you've understood correctly and ask if they'd like any condiments with their meal. Finally, tell each guest how long their order will take to prepare. Inquire if they'd like you to bring them anything from the buffet in the meantime, and then thank them for their order. Taking your guests' egg orders is an important part of the a la carte order process. When doing so, always remember to check how each guest would like their eggs prepared: fried, scrambled, poached, boiled, or as an omelette. If they prefer poached or boiled eggs, you need to ask if they'd like them prepared hard, soft, or medium. For fried eggs, ask if they should be sunny side up or over easy. Whenever you take an egg order, offer your guest fresh toast, checking which type of bread they'd prefer. Remembering your guests' ordering preferences makes them feel special and valued, so pay attention to what repeat guests order and ask if they'd like the same again. After taking all the orders, you must communicate them to the kitchen as quickly as possible. Keep checking on the progress of the orders and advise your guests if their meals are taking longer than expected. Now serve the orders. Before you approach the table, make sure you know which order is for which guest. Take all the orders at the same time and serve them from the right of each guest, starting with the ladies. As you place each dish, repeat its name to ensure each guest is getting the correct order. If fresh toasts were ordered, serve them with butter or margarine. Then check if they require any other assistance and wish them an enjoyable breakfast. The final step is to check on the guest's satisfaction with their orders. Within 2 minutes of the first guest receiving their dish, ask if the food is to their satisfaction. While you're at the table, take note whether any refill, cutlery replacement, or clearing is needed. Ask if the guest requires any other assistance. If you can, use the guest's last name in the conversation for a personal touch that's sure to impress. Now that we've covered taking, serving, and following up on orders, you should feel equipped and ready to create a seamless, pleasing dining experience for our guests, from the table to the kitchen and back again.